Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready: your smartphone, stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, and the Access Bank account details you registered with. Once done, open the app immediately. If it asks, accept necessary permissions so it can connect. Make sure you know whether you use a customer ID, email, or the registered phone number to log in, and have the correct 4 to 6-digit PIN format in mind. This avoids delays and keeps the process smooth at the login screen. Now tap Login and choose the identifier the app expects: customer ID, registered phone number, or email depending on your setup. You enter your password or 4 to 6-digit PIN carefully. If a show option appears, use it briefly to confirm accuracy, then hide it. Next, complete the two-factor step. Wait for the OTP by SMS or approve the in-app token prompt. Make sure you do not share OTP codes. They confirm it is really you and protect your account. After authentication, confirm the app loads your home screen showing your account balance and profile name, so you know the correct account is open. If the login fails, use the forgot password flow or request a new OTP. Also make sure your phone time is correct and your network is stable, because wrong time or poor signal blocks verification. If problems persist, clear the app cache, reinstall the app, or contact Access Bank support for account-specific help. This resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.